Hi guys, quick update on DC-15A blaster. Haven't finished weathering it, but gives you an idea. It's converted toy gun basically. So a few things on it. Left the power switch as the power switch. It has the
weapon systems initializing.
OLED screen.
Your blaster is now fully operational.
There's also a volume control here. So basic run through, LED lights.
The Death Star plans are not in the main computer. There's one. That's my stuff.
There's also a battery meter on the OLED. 3 buttons here. Weapon select, recharge, and as you see there's nothing in the scope. Middle one
Scope activated.
gives you the scope. And slightly different on the front to activate. If I can get it to activate, you've got your red dot laser turned on and off by simply pushing on the front there. To turn that off.
Scope deactivated.
Also on the front there's a series of 6 buttons, 3 on either side. 1 is for music. Might have to add an amplifier because they're not very loud. Pulse. You've got forwards, backwards, and stop. And on the other side, hold it down for volume up.
Boston! This is a restricted area. We've lost sight of him, sir. Set blasters on full.
You can
There he is! Stop him! After him!
If you've got the music playing in the background, if you remove the clip,
Warning, weapon error. Warning, weapon error.
and there's a recharge port in the bottom of the handle. Battery stored in there. So that is a quick update. It's not completely finished, but it's a quick update on my DC-15A blaster. Leave your comments, please. Thank you.